Hello YouTube, my name is Rishabh from Logiart and today we are going to create this effect in Photoshop. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, select the type tool and write the text. After that, press Alt and drag the text above. It will duplicate the text. Now select the second text layer and drag the fill to 0. After that, go to FX and select the stroke and do the settings to your liking. Now repeat the duplicate process again and select all the text layers. Select all the text layers. Now press Ctrl G to group and then press Ctrl E. Now go to Filters, Distort and then Twirl. Adjust it according to your needs and it's done. Don't forget to subscribe to Logiat and follow us on Instagram.